Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass GoTranscript audio test. So before starting audio test, you need to read these transcription guideline rules. These guideline rule is very important. You must read all these transcription guideline rules all the way to the end. 1 to 2 times. This will help you during the audio test exam. You need to focus on this clean verbatim section. This clean verbatim section is very important. You need to apply all these clean verbatim section point into the audio test. So after reading these transcription guideline rule, you easily pass GoTranscript audio test. So I already transcribe audio to text form. You need to apply all these transcription guideline rule into the audio test before submitting the audio test. So let's move to the audio test.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
He wasn't the only young'un to achieve fame in this field. Wrongway Corrigan wrote his famous essay on the permanent patency of the aortic valve when he was only 29, after which he proceeded to fly his plane in circles. When he landed on Gilligan's Island, he was able to perform emergency surgery on Mr. Howell to Lovey's eternal relief. It was one of them accidents that turned out to be a boon to humanity. Course, any reputable theosophist will tell you there are no accidents in anyone's lives, not to mention those of the great investigators. There are surprises, but genius knows how to reconcile their occurrence with the principles they are working out. Louis Pasteur understood at once the wonderful utility there might be in this discovery for the protection of men and animals from disease. Now, he proceeded to practical applications of the new theory by providing old cultures for the inoculation of fowls in districts where chicken cholera produced serious ravages. Then, working on the same lines as for chicken cholera, he proceeded to elaborate vaccine material for anthrax. Now, vaccine was the name deliberately selected for the inoculating substance in order to honor the genius of the English physician Jenner, who had discovered the power of vaccination to protect from smallpox. The weakening of the germs of anthrax so as to produce only a mild form of the disease was a much more intricate problem than for chicken cholera, because the anthrax bacillus does not weaken with age, but enters a restin or spore stage, resembling the seed stage in large plants.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
After a patient series of investigations, Pasteur accomplished his object by some ingenious methods that served to show, perhaps better than any other details of his career, how thoroughly practical was his inventive genius. Unfortunately, the absorption in his work proved too much for his health. He was seized by a series of apoplectic attacks, which for a time threatened to put an end to his invaluable career. During this unfortunate break in Pasteur's work, Dr. Edward Haskell, with his usual scorn for decent folks, took advantage of his absence to plagiarize many of his unpublished papers. When he stood in front of the Cleaver household to deliver a speech on the influence of Pasteur in medical science, their next-door neighbor, Mr. Clampett, shook his head and said with a mournful expression, "I gotta have me a long talk with that boy." Hanging his head in embarrassment, Dr. Haskell walked away with a hangdog expression, followed by his loyal dog, Paisley. They headed for the nearest beach, where the surf was always up and Ed Kooky Burns reigned forever near the beech tree.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
So friend, this is the audio test for today. I hope you understand and this video is helpful for you. And before submitting this audio test, You need to apply our transcription guide and rule into it. So, and please like this video, and also do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.